Bro, my hat got stuck through the TSA X-ray thing and it got fucking murked.
I think that's the main thing you should be concerned about. Look the fuck up over there. The guy's fucking flying.
What the hell is he doing?
Dude, he's flying, bro.
What the?
Oh my god, bro, you got a booger. Smell that shit.
Flight's in an hour.
Yeah,
Is my hat still cooked? I gotta go.
The side looks like they dragged you across the ground.
That's pretty much what they fucking did. Oh, dude, this is such a good hat, but I'm not gonna be needing a hat anyways after this, so that's a sign.
Just say W cameraman quick.
W cameraman. Just do your fucking job, okay?
Fuck you. When
you ain't getting
does
paid
the
for this
cameraman
shit?
get pussy, bro?
He never gets pussy. We were gonna get first class for this flight, but then I'm like,
But then Elia's broke, so...
I'm gonna get first class for the way back because on the way back I'm gonna be all fucked up. So yeah, but this time we already have really good seats. It's like right behind the wall, so we have a lot of leg room and shit. So it should be okay. But besides that, 10-hour flight. Let's go.
Yo, we're about to raw dog it. No headphones, no
Fuck,
TV.
you're raw dogging. I'm not raw dogging shit, bro.
So cameraman can get pussy or not? What's going on?
No. We have just landed, everybody. Flight was 10 hours, wasn't too bad. Seats were.
Fuck, are you kidding, bro?
No, dude, the
fucked.
seats were fucking skinny as shit. Like, thin. Oh, I was farting bare in the plane, guys. I was like actually a little fucking gas chamber.
It smelled like a fucking... like literally, if you could picture a cow farting,
Yeah,
it smelled like
dude.
grass.
Dude, I was actually exploding. I'm not gonna lie, I was exploding to the max. But yes, we are here. Let's go get lined up. What the fuck? All right, we got through customs and everything and the passport shit. Now we're looking for the driver. Very big airport, very fucking big. Thank you so much. Damn. Dude, this is crazy. Got the fucking starlights. Ole. Going in lavishly. They're getting lined up lavishly.
Yo, cameraman got a free vacation?
Free?
Free? I'm not paying for shit.
Bro, you're gonna start turning something on and then... Oh my god, there's a fucking TV, bro. What the fuck? Finally got to the room. They're separating our beds because I didn't tell them I was bringing one more.
Hey, cameraman needs a bed, bro.
Fuck you, cameraman can sleep on the couch. But look at this. Beautiful. Got that giant turkey flag right there. Looking great. I got 2 days. I got today and I got tomorrow to relax, chill, maybe go thrift a bit.
Fuck that shit. We're not thrifting, bro.
Procedure date is on the 30th, so we got 2 more days. Let's chill, let's relax, let's get full of food, and then we're gonna get fucking murked, and I'm gonna be in bed for another 2 days, so shit. Hello. You're so cutie. Come here, let me eat you. Alright guys, we're landed. We're walking around. It is a very cool environment. It's very lively.
We had a donor at a place called Donor and Suck.
A crazy name, I don't know. Wow. Some of my followers DM me, the Turkish ones that have vintage shops, and they told me to pull up. So we're going to some vintage shops tomorrow. I didn't even know I had followers in Turkey. Alright guys, we're looking for some vintage stores in Istanbul, and we finally found one. So let's go see what's going on in here. Really nice pieces. The majority of these ones are fake. From Stussy. Some vintage Burberry. Got a little bit of a starter's Newgranger's piece. 80s. Super sick as well. Dude, look at this Avex jacket. Holy shit. Bro. These are insane. Holy shit. Look at that. This one isn't for sale? No? So none of these ones are for sale? Yes. Dude, there's so many sick jerseys, but they're just all fake. Like if this Japan jersey was real, I would have bought it in a heartbeat because I've been looking for this exact one forever. Looks like they got it downstairs as well. So sick. Got some vintage Adidas here. Oh, this one's hard. This is super sick. This one's got Petra Vintage. I don't even know. Let's go look it up. Hi.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Thank you.
Alright guys, we're in the Grand Bazaar right now and it is freaking crazy. The amount of fucking fake shit is out of this world. It's crazy and everyone is like trying to hustle you at the same time as well. I doubt I'm gonna find anything vintage here. Everything here is fucking fake.
Bro, can I finish?
I'm okay, bro. Let me tell you something. Yummy.
Looks better in picture.
No, honestly, it was really good. Just way too sweet.
Just like me, W cameraman.
Cameraman's not even doing his job right now.
Bro, cameraman doesn't get paid to do this, so fuck you.
Okay, I see one of these ice cream motherfuckers over there, and he's gonna fuck me up.
Oh, brother.
How are you?
I am good, you?
I'm good. I'm
Where
good.
are you from?
Toronto, Canada.
Canada.
Canada.
Nice to meet you, bro. Which one?
Just give me a small one scoop.
Medium, brother.
One. I already had sweets.
Okay. Vanilla, chocolate, caramel, lemon. Bu senin buraya benzi.
Ne oldu? Ha aşağı bizim köyde.
Should I start eating the cone?
Merhaba.
Should I start eating the cone? Oh. Okay.
Abla hoş geldiniz. Buyurun. Ne yiyorsun? Sade çikolata,
What
çilek,
the
limon,
fuck?
İtalyan karameli, kavun, karamel, fıstık, şeftali, portakal. Başını çeksene.
What's your name?
Ilya.
Nice to meet you, Ilya. This is good.
It's amazing. Thank you, bro. Appreciate you, bro.
Brother,
Thank you.
I'm good, bro.
I am not good.
Seninki nerede?
Well, you're not good. I'm good.
Dog, that guy really. That guy put the fucking napkin in my mouth. Alright, guys, it's the morning of the transplantation of hairs into my hair. Last time I'm gonna have hair. Let's go. Oh boy, I'm getting nervous. Alright, so we're just filling out some forms right now. How's the hairline looking? Get the buzz. I think after this we're getting the buzz and then surgery time. I'm not excited for the needles at all.
How many grabs did they say?
It said 4,500. So from here to like here. Say the donut area is good. Yeah, I'm so tired.
You figure 45 right now when your hair's all back.
I know. So I don't put my hair back.
You know if you make what's that. Thank you.
Perfect.
You feel still amazing?
I feel amazing.
Oh,
If I fall asleep, it's because I have no more blood. Say bye to the Beetlejuice here. Bomba. You can call me Vin Diesel now, actually. Oh, dude, I'm fucking cooked. That was so long. Oh, look at this, bro.
Dude, it looks like they shaved the top of a penis.
Yeah. Dude, I'm so fucking cooked right now. I can't even explain it.
Yeah, but they did a good job on the hairline.
Yeah, made sure it wasn't looking too like unnatural. You know, get that thickness going, especially because I like my hair forward anyway. So keep that density there. And I don't know. I just gotta see how it goes. But I'm feeling fucking tired, bro. When they brought me food, they brought me like a big tray of food like halfway through the surgery. I took like 2 bites of it just because I was so out of it. I'm like, yo, I honestly don't even want fucking food.
Nice.
Just the anesthetic shots.
How's the doctor?
Doctor was great. Anesthetic shots are fucking AIDS though. Fucking. It's like they put it under your skin, sideways, and then they fucking. Alright guys, it's the morning after. Bro, I feel like fucking shit. I slept a lot, honestly. I slept a pretty good amount, but bro, my head hurts so much. Look at it. Everything is swollen. Can't even move my eyebrows. If I move my eyebrows, my fucking head like just kills. Probably gonna sit down, chill, watch some movies today. The only thing I'm worried about tomorrow is just the flight home, to be honest. Alright guys, we are at the airport now, going back home. I'm all swollen and shit. Feeling fine, to be honest. I got first class tickets back, so that's fucking amazing. Probably end the video when I get into first class, and then we'll see what happens then. Alright guys, we are finally on the flight. We're in first class. We're literally at the front of the plane. I don't know if you guys can see, but the walls are right in front of me. Overall, it was a great experience. I am still bloated. My head is fucking giant. If you guys are like, oh, why does it look so high up? It's my head is so bloated that my hairline looks like it's all the way up here, but realistically, it should be like around here. More natural, obviously. I love you guys. Stay beautiful. Stay yourself. Be happy with the shit you do in life. If you want to go out and do that procedure, go do it. Just do anything that makes you comfortable or happy or whatever the fuck. I love you guys. I'll see you. Bye.